All right, Jason here from septictank.co.uk. Now, if you're looking for a small septic tank, a mini septic tank, one that's ideal for stable blocks, for mobile homes, for outhouses, then this is the tank for you. I've just made, let's have a look, 1, 2, 3, 4 up here. And they're just fantastic septic tanks. I mean, I'm about 6'2", so you can see where these come up to me. They're not very tall, and they're really, really easy to install. They literally take about, I don't know, 40, 50 minutes to install. And they're my most popular selling septic tank. And come to that, they're one of the most popular small septic tanks in the UK. They're called the Cube septic tank. So if you just go onto Google and type in the Cube septic tank, then you'll see these septic tanks that I make up for people and sell. And so basically there's one or two ways you can install these, right? You can put them in with granular backfill if you are on a dry site. I recommend to people that they backfill with a bit of cement or concrete on them, because if your ground's heavily waterlogged, then it will keep them, stop them from popping up or being crushed when you come to empty them. But the point is, these Cube septic tanks, they're really easy to install. They're made for the DIY market. They're only $2.99, yeah, $2.99, and delivery's really cheap too. Don't make a penny on delivery, just charge 59 quid, and that's the typical price of what it costs to for a pallet to be transported. They come in a robust steel cage, you can see that there, really robust. They've got baffles in, they come with a riser, they come with a lid, they come with everything. All right, yeah. So if you're looking for a small, miniature, mini Cube septic tank, then here they are, the Cube septic tank. So for more information, as I said, just go onto Google and you can type in Cube septic tank. You'll see my septic tanks there. You can type in septic tank TV, or you can just go directly to septictank.co.uk. That's septictank.co.uk, or you can click the link below this video, right? Below this video, you have a look, there's a link there, just click that and it'll take you straight to the Cube septic tanks.